Flax seeds, or linseeds have been used for centuries in a variety of products. There are two types of cultivated flax. One type is grown for the seeds and the other type is grown for fiber production. For example, flax's plant fiber is turned into linen to make clothes or paper. Flaxseed oil, also known as linseed oil, is used by artists as a paint. North America primarily produces oil seed varieties commercially. Flaxseed is called linseed because of the flowering plant species name, Linum usatatissimum. When flax seeds were given to cattle as feed, the nutritional value of flax seeds for humans was discovered. Louis Hebert brought flax seeds to the New World of America in the 17th century, where cultivation of this plant spread across the continent. Canada is one of the world's #1 producers of flax. So why is flax seeds so healthy for us? Flax seeds are healthy for us because they reduce the risk of developing cancers, like breast, uterine, colon, and prostate cancer. Flax seeds help aid osteoporosis in menopausal women. Flax improves your mood, increases good HDL cholesterol, while lowering bad LDL cholesterol. It lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and relieves arthritis pain. Flax seeds contain 70% omega-3 fatty acids, more than avocados and fatty cold water fish. So how much flax seeds are recommended to eat every day to receive the nutritional value? To receive the nutritional qualities of flax seeds, include 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground flax seeds in your daily breakfast oats, smoothies, yogurt, or salads to optimize on the healing properties of this plant. Remember to ground the flax seeds since the body's digestive tract is unable to dissolve or break open the seed's hard covering. It's really simple to ground flax seeds in a blender, and I did an entire video on how to do it. The link to the video will be in the video description below or card up top. But in short, grab 1/4 cup of raw unroasted flax seeds. Put them in a blender that is dry and blend for about 1 minute or until the flax seeds are grounded. You can also pulse the blender until the flax seeds are grounded. Don't blend it for too long because flax seeds have oil in it and you don't want the oil to leach out. 1/4 cup of flax seeds makes 1/2 cup of grounded flax seeds and is about 220 calories. It's also good to know that boiling or roasting flax seeds will denature and neutralize most of the seed's healthy nutrients. So eat flax seeds ground with no heat. After you cook your food, you can sprinkle the ground flax seeds over it. Things to consider when eating flax seeds is that the lignans in flax seeds can cause gas, bloating, stomach ache, constipation, and diarrhea. So eat in moderation. If you experience swelling, itching, hives, redness, nausea, and vomiting, discontinue the consumption of flax seeds, because these are signs of an allergic reaction to flax seeds. Another thing to consider is if you are going to consume flaxseed or linseed oil, see if you can make it at home. Most commercially bought flaxseed oil isn't the best oil to consume because the small seeds are compressed in a machine to get the oil out. Flaxseed oil turns rancid in a short amount of time too. It is better to eat ground flax seeds to get the oil from it. When storing flax seeds, buy them whole and store them in sealed airtight containers in the refrigerator. Ground flax seeds go rancid within 1 to 3 days or up to a week when left out, and within 2 weeks when stored in the refrigerator. So I don't recommend purchasing flax seeds already ground from the store. You can also store ground flax seeds in the freezer to preserve its health qualities and omega-3 fatty acids. Adding ground flax seeds into your daily nutrition is a great way to boost your health.